to tech tips on the go. Hi there everyone! Today I'd like to show you how to create a fun animated GIF using video in PowerPoint. This is a follow-up on my previous video on creating GIFs using PowerPoint, and it will be a quick one, so let's get to it. We already have a presentation open, and now what we want to do is to insert a video that we have already made and previously saved in our computer. So insert, click on media on the right. On the drop-down menu, select videos. Then this device, navigate to the location where you save your video and click on the video to insert. This is my video which I made earlier, and it's already short, but I want to shorten it a little bit more to create a really fast loop for my GIF. So I'm going to use the video editor in PowerPoint. Make sure your video is selected. Click on playback. Move to the left and click on trim video. You'll get a pop-up window with the video editor on it. Move the sliders to trim the beginning and the end to select the area of the video that you want to use for your fast fun loop. Remember, it needs to be between 2 and 3 seconds. When you're ready, click OK. Now our video is ready. We're going to make it more fun by adding other features to it. First, we're going to add a callout shape or speech bubble. Go to the Insert menu, select Shapes, choose your callout shape and resize it to fit it with your video. To add text, click on the shape and type. Then select the writing, and you can format it by changing the size or changing the font, changing the color, anything that you like really. You can do the same with your shape, your callout. You can change the outline, change the color, change the width of the line, and change the color of the field to customize it to your liking. Finally, you have the choice to format the image on the video. So select your video and click video format, and I would advise you to just have a little experimentation with all of the menus in there until you find what you want for your fun GIF. I'm going to leave mine like this. Now the video is ready to save. Click File, Save As, browse the location where you want to save it, give it a title to make sure you can find it easily. I'm going to save mine on my desktop. Select Animated GIF format in the drop-down menu and click Save. Now you can find your GIF to ensure that everything is okay. Click on the file, check it, and now it's ready to use. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you give this a go. See you next time.